In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel the hosting and domain in Hostinger easily. If you've decided that it's time to move on or you simply no longer need your Hostinger services, I'm here to guide you through the cancellation process. Let's start by addressing how to cancel your hosting plan. The first thing you need to do is turn off the auto renewal on your hosting account. Now, you may be wondering why this step is important. By disabling the auto renewal feature, you're essentially preventing Hostinger from automatically renewing your hosting plan once the current term is up. This means your plan will expire naturally, leading to its automatic cancellation and deletion without any further action needed on your part. It's a simpler, hassle-free way to ensure your account gets canceled smoothly. However, if you're considering requesting a refund for your existing plan, you'll need to follow Hostinger's specific refund procedure. Now, let's move on to the second part of this tutorial, canceling a domain name with Hostinger. Once your domain reaches its expiration date, it doesn't get deleted immediately. Instead, it enters a renewal grace phase. During this time, you still have the option to renew the domain if you change your mind. This phase provides a buffer period, ensuring you don't lose your domain name right away if you haven't planned accordingly. Once this grace phase concludes without renewal, the domain is automatically deleted. It's a good thing to know if you'd prefer your domain to lapse naturally. If you're thinking about removing a domain from your hosting plan altogether, there's a set of separate steps you'll need to follow. While this video doesn't cover those details, it's possible to sever the connection between your domain and your hosting plan by guiding yourself through the removal steps outlined on Hostinger's support platform. A quick note here, if you're interested in refund information related to your hosting or domain services, make sure you review Hostinger's refund policy carefully. There's also a dedicated procedure to follow to actually request a refund. This will ensure that you're aware of any specific terms and conditions that might affect your eligibility for refunds. So there you have it. A straightforward guide to canceling your hosting and domain with Hostinger. Remember, whether you're letting your services naturally expire by disabling auto renewal or actively seeking a cancellation, Hostinger offers multiple options to suit your needs. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment or share your own experiences below. Until next time.